हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम इन माय वीडियो। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं डीएवी क्लास 8 का सोशल स्टडी का चैप्टर नंबर 3 नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, वेजिटेशन एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ। तो इस चैप्टर के सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हम इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं, साथ ही मैप स्किल भी हम करेंगे। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिएगा और वीडियो को लाइक शेयर करिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का चैप्टर नंबर 3। ए Tick the correct option. Number 1. Which term is used for the plant community which grows without human interference? तो इसका ऑप्शन नंबर बी नेचुरल वेजिटेशन। नंबर 2. Which vegetation grows in hot and humid region of the world? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी ट्रॉपिकल डिसीडियस फॉरेस्ट। नंबर 3. The most common trees of tropical deciduous forest are? तो इसका होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी साल एंड टीक। नंबर 4. Trees of Mediterranean forests are have option number C spiny and waxy leaves. Number 5. The area under forest is depleting due to option number B human interference. B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The assemblage of plant species in an environment is known as natural vegetation. Number 2. Temperature and rainfall are two important factors of the plant growth. Number 3. Humus helps in maintain fertility of the soil. Number 4. Hardwood trees have broad leaves to permit transportation of surplus moisture. Number 5. Teak is the commercially important tree of the monsoon forest. C. Write a technical term or an appropriate word for each of the following statements. Number 1. The forests which do not shed their leaves at the same time, evergreen forests. Number 2. In this forest, summer are dry and moderate rainfalls in winter, Mediterranean. Number 3. Conical shaped trees are common in these forests, temperate softwood forests. Number 4. The act of process of creating new forests by planting saplings, afforestation. Number 5. The temperate softwood forests found in the southern slope of Himalayas mountain forests. D. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why are the tropical rainforests known as evergreen forests? Answer. All the trees of these forests do not shed their leaves at the same time. Hence the forests always appear green. That is why such forests are known as evergreen forests. Question number 2. Why do the tropical deciduous forests shed their leaves during the summer season? Name two such trees. Answer. Tropical deciduous forests shed their leaves during the summer season to conserve moisture. Two such trees are sal and teak. Next, question number 3. Write three characteristic features of the trees found in Mediterranean forest. Answer. Three characteristic features are: trees are widely scattered, trees have spiny, waxy, small and leathery texture leaves. Number 3. These trees have long root and thick bark. Now question number 4. Distinguish between a national park and a wildlife sanctuary. Answer. A national park is a well-defined area for the protection of wildlife and biodiversity. Visitors can only visit the park. No one has right to use any forest products. Collection of firewood, timber and any part of forest is prohibited. Whereas wildlife sanctuary is declared area in which limited human activities are permitted. Hunting of animals and cutting of trees are also banned. People can collect firewood, timber and medicinal herbs in a moderate quantity. Question number 5. Suggest any three important measures for the protection of forests. Answer. Three important measures are: afforestation, each one plant one policy, efficient utilization of forest products and uses of substitutes of wood. Now question number 1. What is meant by natural vegetation? How do temperature and rainfall affect its distribution? Explain with example. Answer. The assemblage of plant species in an environment is known as natural vegetation. Temperature and rainfall are two important factors of the growth of plants. In the areas where rainfall is heavy, the forests are thick and dense. As the rainfall decreases, the size and concentration of trees also reduce. Shrubs and short trees are common in the areas of low rainfall or in desert areas. In cold regions, the growing season is very short. Therefore, plants occur in scattered patches in the form of mosses and lichens. Question number 2. Highlight any 5 points of distinction between tropical deciduous forests and coniferous forest. तो पहले tropical deciduous forest के बारे में देखते हैं. Number 1. These forests are commonly found in India, Myanmar, South China, East Brazil and central parts of America. Number 2. These forests are also called monsoon forests. Number 3. Trees of these forests shed their leaves during the dry season to conserve moisture. Number 4. Trees are medium in height, 30-40 meters. Number 4. Common trees are sal, teak, sandalwood, bamboo and sesame. Now coniferous forests. Number 1. These forests are common in the higher latitude of the northern hemisphere and high mountains in Europe, Asia, North Canada and USA. These forests are also called mountain forests. Number 3. Trees of these forests do not shed their thick needle-shaped leaf. Number 4. Trees of these forests are tall and conical in shape. Number 4. Common trees are pine, fir, spruce, cedar, deodar and walnut. Next question number 3. Forests are essential for maintaining an ecological balance. Justify the statement with suitable arguments. Answer. Forests provide safe habitat to the wild animals. Many people depend on forests for their livelihood. Forests help to prevent soil erosion. It helps to produce humus, which is helpful to maintain fertility of soil. It helps us to breathe by converting a carbon dioxide into oxygen. Next question number 4. Explain the importance of wildlife. Answer. Wildlife is important for its aesthetic values and ecological balance. Number 2. The beauty of wild animals boosts tourism and creates job opportunities. Number 3. Animals' behavior changes at the time of natural disasters like tsunami and earthquake. Number 4. Dead and decaying plants and animals produced humus, which is helpful to maintain the fertility of the soil. Question number 5. How are human beings responsible for the depletion of wildlife and vegetation? Answer. Human beings are responsible for the depletion of wildlife and vegetation because human population is increasing alarmingly, which disturb the ecological balance. Deforestation in a rampant manner has depleted in these important resources and led to the loss of habitat for wildlife. It helps to produce humus, which is helpful to maintain fertility of soil. It helps us to breathe by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. Ecological imbalances and soil erosion, it is a matter to grave concern. Now we will do map scheme. तो आपको वर्ल्ड का पॉलिटिकल मैप लेना है और इन सब ये नेशनल पार्क्स को उसमें लोकेट करना है। तो मैंने यहाँ पर वर्ल्ड के मैप में ये सभी पार्क को लोकेट कर दिया है। यहाँ से देख करके आप फिल कर लीजिएगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।